Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Swayambhu Manu's son Priyavrata and Priyavrata's lineage. Swayambhu Manu's grandson and Priyavrata's son Agnidhra worshipped Lord Brahma for a worthy son. Lord Brahma sent celestial nymph Apsara by name Purvachitti. They got married. After 9 sons were born, she returned to her abode of Mains, and Agnidhra too joined her there in course of time. It is said that Agnidhra enjoyed life as a ruler of entire Jambudvipa and as the spouse of Purvachitti for 10 crore years. Parivalsobalakṣāṇām. They had 9 sons who married the 9 daughters of Meru, the 9 Varshas as they were called. These Varshas and their spouses were Nabi, spouse Meru Devi, Kimpurusha, spouse Pradirupa, Harivarsha, spouse Ugradam Stri, Ilavrata, Lata, Ramyaka, Ramya, Hiranmaya, Shama, Kuru, Nari, Bhadrasva, Bhadra, Kedumala, Devaviti. Nabi, desirous of getting progeny, worshipped Lord Vishnu, and the holy Brahmanas were performing the rites preceding a Soma sacrifice known as Pravargya. Lord Vishnu appeared at the sacrifice. The Brahmanas prayed to him to bless Nabi with a son like himself. Lord Vishnu said that there cannot be another like himself, but in deference to the prayers of the holy Brahmanas, the twice born, whom he respected the most and represented his own mouth, Brahmano asya mugamasiyat. Bhagavan said, Tadastu, be it so. It was thus that Sriman Narayana himself took birth as a part manifestation with marks of divinity such as thunderbolt and goad in his soles. His majesty, strength, splendor, glory, dominating influence and energy got him the name Rishabha, the foremost, who came to be known as Lord Rishabhadeva. Rishabhadeva married Jayanti, daughter of Indra, and was blessed with 100 sons. The eldest of them was Bharata, after whom the land acquired the name Bharata Varsha. Rishabha's first 10 sons were Bharata, Kushavarta, Ilavarta, Brahmavarta, Malaya, Kedu, Bhadrasena, Indrasprik, Vidarbha, Kikata. Next 9 sons were Kavi, Hari, Andariksha, Prabuddha, Pippalayana, Avirhotra, Drumila, Chamasa, Karabhajana. These 9 sons, that is 11th to 19th of the 100 sons, they became great ascetics, preceptors, and we will learn later the knowledge that imparted to King Nimi. And the other 81 sons became holy men, not pursuing any materialistic pursuits. Rishabhadeva exhorted his sons to follow the path of Dharma, accept their elder brother Bharata as a successor to the throne, and then renounced everything, took to the life of a recluse, departed as if mad, with disheveled hair and having no covering on his body. Subjected to harsh treatment by the onlookers, as he wandered about with a radiant face, he paid least attention to his body, wrongly called as real, but remained fixed to one spot, chewed food, and rolled on the feces. It is said that excrement exuded fragrance which was carried by the wind. Thus, Rishabha set an example of the highest principle of yoga for total detachment from the sense of body and complete identification with the all-pervading Lord Sri Hari. It was yoga in its ultimate form, so difficult to practice after giving up wealth, power, and status. Wandering through various places, Rishabhadeva ultimately reached Kudugu, that is Kurg, where he attained to the lotus feet of Lord Sriman Narayana. In Srimad Bhagavatam, there are several instances to show how God Himself, while appearing in human form for the good of the world, preached the ultimate truth, that is, the body and the mind are not attached. Body is nothing in reality. Materialistic pleasures are evanescent, causing sorrow and hatred. One needs to identify oneself with God, see Him within oneself through austere practices. And most noteworthy, God in His human form underwent a lot of suffering to project to humanity the ultimate truth, precept through practice, true Margadarshi, and beyond comprehension. Bharata married Pankajani, a daughter of Vishwarupa. Their sons were Sumati, Rashtrabhrit, Sudarshana, Avarana, Dhumraketu. Until the time of Bharata, Nabi's land was Ajanabha Varsha. After him, the subdivision Ajanabha Varsha became Bharata Varsha at the time of Bharata. Similarly, each Dvibha had subdivision called Varsha. So Lord Brahma, mind-born son Swayambhu Manu, his son Priyavrata, Priyavrata's son Agnidhra, Agnidhra's son Nabi, Nabi's son Rishabhadeva, Rishabhadeva's son Bharata. Thus, Swayambhu Manu was the great-great-great-grandfather and Lord Brahma the great-great-great-great-grandfather of Bharata. It will be noted that the sons of Agnidhra had all the names of Varshas except Nabi for Jambudvipa. Bharata's name became the Varsha, hence Jambudvipe, Bharata Varshe, Bharata Kande in Sankalpas. Dvibhas, the seven Dvibhas, Jambu, Plaksha, Shaga, Salpali, Kusha, Kraunja, Pushkarakya. These seven Dvibhas were formed as a result of the tracks formed by the wheels of the chariot of Priyavrata, who went round the earth 7 times in his effulgent aerial vehicle in an attempt to shed light in those areas where sun was not visible but moon was. Also, it caused the formation of 7 oceans containing salt water, sugarcane juice, wine, clarified butter, milk, curds, and water separating each Dvibha. These 7 Dvibhas were given to Priyavrata's 7 sons. Jambudvipa to Agnidhra, Plaksha to Idmajjiva, Shaga to Yajnabahu, Salali to Hiranyarita, Kushadhuja to Grasthaprastha, Kraujadvipa to Medhaditi, and Pushkarakya Dvipa to Vitihotra. Varshas and deities. Ilavrata Varsha, where goddess Parvati and all women, but no men other than Lord Shankara, who worships Sankarshana. Bhadrashrava Varsha, Dharma's son Bhadrashrava worships Hayagriva, the protector of Vedas. Harivarsha, Prahlada worships Narahari, man-lion Narasimha. Kedumala Varsha, Pradyumna Kamadeva, worshipped by Samvalsara's sons, daughters, that is in the Dhruva's lineage. Ramyaga Varsha, Shraddha Deva, that is Vaivasudha, worships Matsya avatar. Hiranmaya Varsha, Aryama, Lord of Mains, worships the divine tortoise Kurma. In Uttara Kuru Varsha, the Kurus worship the divine boar, that is Varaha avatar. In Kimpurusha Varsha, Hanuman and the Kimpurushas worship Lord Sri Rama. Bharata Varsha, Naranarayana in Badrikashrama, worshipped by Narada and all else. Narayana, 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 Narayana.